very much thankful towards our project leader, school administration and British Council Nepal for providing us a golden opportunity to complete this project on hydropower. The project based on curriculum of Grade 10 Unit 3, Alternative Source of Energy, has helped us to foster our knowledge through project-based learning method. Under this project, we were involved both physically and virtually to do various activities such as orientation, presentation, collaboration, paperwork, field visit, etc.
Here we are under the orientation class of ISA International School Award under the topic hydropower of science. In case of this hydropower project from class 9 and 10, this project number 1 we are going to conduct virtually as well as physically. Create pollution also. So it can be used as alternative sources of energy. Due to that reason, we had selected this hydropower.
जुन स्टोर गरेर खोजिरहेको छ यहाँ यो पाइप मार्फत नै यो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रडक्सन गर्नको लागि जानेको लागि लाने वाटर यसबाट जाने हो। यो कन्स्ट्रक्सन भइरहेको छ जुन मैले ड्याम भने ड्याम कसरी बनाउने ड्यामले कसरी चाहिँ वाटरलाई डाइभर्ट गर्ने भनेर चाहिँ कन्स्ट्रक्सनको कुरोहरू छ अनि अपरेसनको पनि देखाउँछु म। यसरी कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्कका केही फोटोग्राफ्सहरू हो यो।
रहेको अवस्थाको पानीलाई चाहिँ फेरि प्रेसर क्रिएट गरेर काइनेटिक इनर्जीमा लगिन्छ। त्यसपछि त्यसलाई चाहिँ अब टर्बाइनको प्रयोगबाट चाहिँ काइनेटिक इनर्जीलाई चाहिँ मेकानिकल इनर्जीमा कन्भर्ट गरिन्छ र त्यसलाई फेरि जेनेरेटरको माध्यमबाट इलेक्ट्रिकल इनर्जीमा कन्भर्ट गरेर त्यसरी चाहिँ हामीले हाइड्रोपावर हार्नेस गरिन्छ। हाइड्रोपावरको डिफिनेसन सामान्य डिफिनेसन भन्दाखेरिमा हाम्रो यो पावर कसरी क्यालकुलेसन गरिन्छ भन्दाखेरिमा 9.806 QH र त्यो इफिसियन्सी यो आधारमा चाहिँ हामीले जस्तो क्यु भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरिमा हाम्रो वाटर भोल्युम फ्लो कति हुन्छ त फ्लो पर सेकेन्डमा कति फ्लो हुन्छ त्यसको हेड कति रहेको छ हाइट कति हाइटबाट चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ खसालेका छौँ पानी भन्ने कुराहरू चाहिँ त्यसको आधारमा चाहिँ अनि त्यसको इफिसियन्सी टर्बाइन र जेनेरेटरको इफिसियन्सी कति छ त भने त्यसको आधारमा चाहिँ हामीले पावर किलोवाटमा निकाल्छौँ।
After knowing about the historical development of hydropower in the old, now we are moving toward the historical development of hydropower in our country Nepal. The history of hydropower development in Nepal began on May 22, 1911, 9 Jes 1968 Bias by installing 500 kilowatt electricity producing Phaping hydroelectrical plant at Phaping by Prime Minister Chandra Samset. After 25 years of long duration, Prime Minister Dev Samset initiated 640 kilowatt Sundari Jal hydropower plant with a capacity of 900 kilowatt in 1936.
You can see the working mechanism of hydropower. Here you can see the water from the dam has been moving downwards to the pipe known as the penstock. And the water that is falling through the penstock is hitting the blade of the turbine and turbine is rotating. Similarly, both the turbine and generator are connected by a narrow path which is known as the shaft, as I have told earlier.
Let me discuss about the international dimension of India. India has high solar insolation level with about 300 clear sunny days. Most parts of the country receive 4 to 7 kilowatt hour per meter square a day with about 1500 to 2000 sunshine hours per week depending upon the location.
About the hydropower, which is our project number 1. So today we are here at Abu Khairani, which is about 130 kilometers far away from our school Himrasmi, which is located at Balaju. So today we are here with our respective source, Jagat Bahadur Kharka sir.
हाम्रो चाहिँ यताडे आएको यो खोलो हो, यो चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै मर्सेड नदी यही नै हो हाम्रो। अब यो वर्षेनी नदीलाई यहाँ चाहिँ बाँध बाँधेर यो हाम्रो 5वटा गेट छ। यो 100 मिटर पुलको एरिया छ, 102 कति मिटर छ। यसको 5वटा गेट छ। उताबाट 1 नम्बर 2 नम्बर 3 नम्बर 4 नम्बर 5 नम्बर भन्दै आएको छ। अनि यो गेटबाट पानी छुनेपछि अनि हामीलाई आवश्यक पानी पावर सप्लाई टनललाई चाहिने आवश्यक पानी यता जान्छ। यो सिल अनि अरू यो चाहिँ हाम्रो यो योजना बनेको 43 सालमा 43 सुरु भयो, 46 सालमा उत्पादन हो। त्यहाँ चाहिँ शिलान्यास गरेको त्यहाँ छ। अब उद्घाटन गरेको 46 पाउनु लाग्यो। एउटा गेट 120-25 टन 30 टन 35 टनको छ कि 100 एउटा गेट त्यसलाई हामीले यो बटमको घरमा यहाँ यसो दिएपछि कति यो सर्रा खुल्छ। अनि त्यहाँ स्टप गरिदिने कति खोलियो 20 सेन्टि 30 सेन्टि 50 सेन्टि 1 मिटर कति खोलियो त्यसको स्टप गरेर ठिक भयो। क्लोज गर्ने भयो। यता सिस्टम यही हो। अनि यो चाहिँ हामीले कमानदेखि यो चाहिँ हाइड्रोलिक चाहिँ प्रेसर यो हाइड्रोलिक तेल छ यहाँ त्यो मेकानिक सिस्टम हो। यो चाहिँ अब हामीले भल्भहरू मिलाएर अनि त्यो हातले पनि चलाएर गर्न सकिन्छ। त्यसले कनेक्सन यहाँ पछाडि मोटर छ त्यसले चाहिँ अब त्यो कमान दिएपछि यो चाहिँ आफै स्टार्ट हुन्छ। अनि चाहिँ गेट खोली बन्द गर्ने त्यसो हुन्छ। त्यो हामीले हाइड्रोलिक प्रेसर त्यो उसको सिद्धान्त हो क्या सबै यो प्रेसरबाट हाइड्रोलिक प्रेसरबाट गेट पनि बस्नु त्यो मेकानिकल।
First of all, we collected the required materials such as plywood, dynamo, turbine, LED bulb, connecting wire, pipe, wood, color saw, and the hammer. Then, we measured the definite shape and the size of plywood and cut into the pieces. We fitted the pieces of plywood into the required model and colored it nicely. Then, we fitted all the other remaining mechanisms such as plywood, connecting wire, wood, pipe, etc. We set the dam on the top of the box and fixed the tunnel with the turbine to regulate the water supply for the generation of hydropower. We connected all the other mechanisms properly and we tested the power production. All the mechanisms worked perfectly and we could see the bulb lightning with the power supply from the turbine. Finally, we demonstrated our model in the school among the selected teachers, parents and the friends. All of them praised our work and we were appreciated by everyone. All the parents are so happy to see their children engage in the project-based learning. Thank you.
was an absolute pleasure for us to collaborate with RMK Senior Secondary School under this ISA project. We were connected virtually with our partner school where they beautifully presented about hydropower and water conservation status of their country. Likewise, we were able to learn pie chart and graph based on the statistic of uses of water resources which was exchanged by India counterpart. In like manner, even we presented our presentation on Tihiri Hydropower India, and also we share our experience on visit to Marsang the hydropower, and also we share our experience on making hydropower model in our one school. We also exchanged feedback with each other from our compete from India. Again, at the last, it was really fun experience of learning and was equally effective. We everyone are really gratified performing this project collaboratively with RMK Senior Secondary School, Chennai, India. Hope to team up even in upcoming days.
Water is the nectar of life, it's the precious resource, it's the universal solvent, it's the driving force of all nature, it's the shining jewel and the versatile solvent. My dear friends, now I will be discussing the importance of water conservation. Water is one of the most important substances on the earth. Clean, fresh water is a limited resource. Conserving water means using water supply wisely and be responsible.
Must be stopped. On this note, here comes a PPT on water conservation methods in Saudi Arabia and USA by Monisha.
Conserve water, save lives. Thank you.
Presenting a presentation by addressing India, and we have made a presentation related to major hydropower projects in India. So, let me start it.
Presenting the responses from the survey we got from the regarding the domestic usage of water, and you can see that many of our students from Nepal have responded very quickly, and it is a pleasure. We appreciate your quick responses. Now, if you note down here, from the response, it is understood that we all use groundwater or tap water. In that way, we are very lucky to have such a source of water. Many parts of the country, they are even struggling to get pure water. And when we come to the leakage of water in your house, there was a question, leakage of water in your house. Most of you have given that there is no leakage. This is also a good initiative to save water. And next one, there was a question, have you have a dual flush or a single flush in your toilet? Most of us have a dual flush because really it will save the water. It is a good initiative. And anyway, I'm not getting each and everything. Our students are again going to give you a lot of tips how to save the water, what is the domestic usage, how we are going to save it, and how can we conserve the water. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I would like to stop telling a drop wasted is a drop lost. So save water. Thank you. Over to Nirali.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing the responses. Here comes Mitra to showcase an pie chart based on the Google Form questionnaire and also share with us some of the saving tips.
Domestic usage of water is the water used in indoor and outdoor household purposes. This table shows the percentage of water used for so-and-so purposes, like shower use nearly 16% of water, toilet 20%, clothes washer 18%, faucet 15%, dishwasher 16%, leak 10%, and others 5%. My dear friends, this pie chart represents the usage of water in domestic field graphically in order to make it more informative. Hence, To conserve water, we must follow certain methods such as
Store in ground level containers, put direct tubes, or recharge into groundwater. Bamboo drip irrigation. It is practiced in hilly areas where construction of ground channels is not possible due to slopey and stony terrain. This arrangement taps spring water to irrigate fields. A network of channels made by bamboo pipes of various diameters allows stronger flow of water by gravity. Ferro-cement tanks. It has proved highly effective in high rainfall regions where large amounts of water need to be stored in clean form. These tanks requiring materials like sand, cement, fine steel bar, and galvanized iron wire mesh can be created easily by the semi-skilled laborers. It's light in weight and can be molded into any shape required. Extraction and consumption of water in different fields over the years. This table shows the extraction and consumption of water for agricultural use in India. It also shows the amount of water saved in the given years. That data is now represented in the double bar graph format. The grey shaded band is the amount of water saved over the years. The dark green colored bar shows the extraction.